Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your email address in GoDaddy quickly and easily. If you have ever needed to update your account email for security reasons, first log into your GoDaddy account. Next, once you're on the dashboard, click the small arrow beside your profile picture. Then, from the menu that appears, select Account Settings. After that, find the email section and click on it to start the update process. Now, enter your new email address carefully in the provided field. Then, click on Send Verification Code. GoDaddy will send a 6-digit verification code to the new email you entered. Once you receive the code, enter it in the verification field. Finally, click on Continue to confirm and save your new email address. Your GoDaddy account email is now updated and ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.